Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this tutorial I'm about to show you how you can recover your Instagram account without email and phone number. In case you've lost your account or in case you're not able to log in into your account because you've forgotten all your login information, that includes your email address, phone number, password or your username. What you can do is you can simply watch this video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. By the end of this video, you will learn how to recover your Instagram account without your login information. So without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, you'll have to open up your Instagram application and make sure that you've updated your Instagram application to the latest version, and also make sure to check your internet connection. As you open up your Instagram application, on the other page you will be directed into login interface. So in order to log in or in order to get a login help, what you have to do is tap on get help with login in, which is right at the bottom. On the other page, you will be directed into login page. So you'll have to enter either one of your information, that is your username, email address or phone number that is linked with your Instagram account. In case if you don't know your email address and phone number, so that is okay, but in case if you have forgotten or in case you're not sure about your username, so what you can do is you can simply ask one of your user to find your username on Instagram. So after that, what you have to do is you simply have to enter your username. Once you're done entering your username, tap on next, which is right at the bottom. If the provided username is correct, on the other page you'll have an access of your account. So you can see that there are 4 different options of recovering your account. So that is through email, SMS or login with Facebook. So as you already know that you have forgotten all your information, so what you have to do is you'll simply have to tap on can't reset your password, which is right at the bottom. As you tap on it, on the other page, once again you'll get a method to recover your Instagram account. So you can see there are hints as well. In case if you know any of these following information, so then tap on it and then tap on next, and on the other page you'll be provided with the login information. And in case if you cannot recall it, what you have to do is tap on try another way, which is right at the bottom. As you tap on it, on the other page you will be directed into request support. So you can see there are multiple options. So for now, I guess we should go on with the login code was sent to mobile number or email address that I don't have access to. As you don't know your email address and phone number, so you'll have to tap on it. Once you do that, tap on next in the bottom. On the other page there is a confirmation, and here it says that if you have your photo of yourself or not. In case if you have a photo of yourself, so then tap on yes, and in case if you don't have, so then tap on no. As you're done selecting, once again tap on next, which is right at the bottom. On the other page you'll have to enter an email address that you know you can access, so they'll be sending you an update through that email, so make sure to enter the correct one. And once you're done entering your email address, tap on submit, which is right at the bottom. So once you do that, on the other page you can see they'll ask for a confirmation code. So the 6-digit code will be sent through your email, so it might take some time in order to receive your verification code. So what you have to do is after you get the verification code, you'll have to enter it over here. Once you're done entering it, on the other page you'll get to reset a new login information. On the other page you'll successfully restore your Instagram account without your email address and your phone number. So that is how you can recover your Instagram account without your login information. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.